Hey, welcome to example 7 of our proof examples. And we're going to get going on this one. I'm going to start right away with number 1. Now make sure whenever you write a statement and a reason, you number them and make sure that they match up. So the first one is going to be that BD is the angle bisector of angle ADC. And that reason is given. Right? That one's easy. Now, noticing that angle ADC is a straight line and its bisector BD is bisecting it, I have congruent angles. So statement 2, I can lead right in from statement 1, angle ADB. Not only is ADB congruent to angle CDB, but because ADC is a straight line, and because it's bisected, then I can say that ADB and CDB are, in fact, right angles. All right, and the reason there is just because I took a straight line and defined it, or cut it, I can say that's just the definition of an angle bisector. Right, we came right from angle bisector and used that, so there's that. All right, I had 1 led into 2. Now, leading in from number 2, if I have right angles, I can now say triangle ADB and triangle CDB are right triangles, and that reason is the definition of a right triangle. A right triangle just has to have a right angle. Sorry, definition of a right triangle. That was definition of an angle bisector. If I have right triangles, that is going to help me. And now I'm going to take my next statement, statement 4, and I'm going to say that AB is congruent to CB, and that's right there, AB congruent to CB. And that reason is given. Again, just like we had from the beginning. All right, and also I can go to step 5 here. I have that BD is congruent to BD. Reason is the reflexive property. So I can mark that congruent. I never marked my right angles there. And now I have a segment, I have a hypotenuse and a leg. So step 6, I can say triangle BAD is congruent to triangle BCD. And on step 6, that reason is HL. And the reasoning for that, to get HL, I had step 3. And then was my right angle, my right triangles. Step 4 is the hypotenuse, and step 5 is the leg, and I have my congruent triangles.